If you've been locked out of your Zelle account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Access the Zelle app or website. Open the Zelle app on your mobile device or visit the Zelle website on your computer. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click or tap on it to initiate the password reset process. This will direct you to the necessary steps to recover your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve entering your registered email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code sent by Zelle. Enter this code in the designated field on the app or website. This step is crucial for confirming that you are the account owner. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements and confirm it. After successfully updating your password, you should be able to log into your Zelle account. By following these steps, you can easily reset your login credentials and regain access to your Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.